water in nature, everything that water passes by and everything that it passes through, it remembers. If you look at most cities reprocess the gray water. That water is reprocessed 23 times before it actually evaporates and goes back into nature. You could be looking at a significant amount of memory, which entails virtually all the medications, pharmaceuticals, all the trauma, all the conditions that water has had an opportunity to pass by or pass through since it came out of nature. So what that memory does, it really convolutes water. It brings water into a place of having basically thousands, if not tens of thousands or more water molecules in a cluster, and they're all glommed together. So potentially, when a person were to drink that water, it wouldn't have time to break down anything. It would just go straight through you. What structuring does is within the first turn or so through the structuring unit, it erases that memory or neutralizes the memory. It neutralizes the memory of all toxins.